For this update, we've got the new heated front windscreen has been installed, and we now have operational sunroofs front and rear, and all the wiring pods are in except for the one that will go right here. Sunroofs are in place. This is all looking much better. You can see Patty looking at the truck for the first time. There she is. She's happy with it. So the rear axles have been put in, the rear differentials in, the new rear hubs are on, and we're starting to do more suspension work. You can see the new bump stops, new drive shaft, caliper brackets drying, looking very nice. Driver's side, the new rear hubs. Things are starting to go together on it. Very clean under here. So the rear is complete, brakes are in, brake lines in, ABS sensors are in, the extensions are on. Still have to do shocks and springs back here. Rear drive shaft is in place. Onto the new diff. Just have to put the armor on the diff, and still have to do Watts linkage stuff. Have to do some exhaust work back here, but it's coming along. Spacer block for a cross member so that it clears the drive shaft when the drive shaft goes in. Get a back view of the axle in the front. It's nice to see this stuff going on. The new arms. So almost everything is done in the front. New brakes, the new upper and lower ball joints, heavy duty steering arms. All we have to do is shock towers, springs, shocks. Driver's side's looking good. You can see the heavy-duty 300M CVs, or parts of them. So the shifter's been repaired. This now actually functions side to side. The plate has been repaired. Stainless steel riv nuts and screws have been put in place of the rivets. And I can now shift high-low and engage the center diff lock.